What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having an amazing, fabulous... What are you doing?
What?
Don't worry about her, guys. Don't worry about her. So, hope you guys are having a great time. If you seen my last demonetized video, let's see if it's still demonetized, guys. Here, it's about the AR-15. If you do not recall, but we're gonna go in here. We're gonna click on my studio. Right there's the video, right there. And it's still demonetized right there, guys. So even though I literally have like 12 commercials in the freaking video itself, I'm not really making any money on it because YouTube has decided that they don't like me anymore and they don't want to pay me any good rates. So that's fine because I'm going to still make videos for you guys because I know you guys out there that support me at least appreciate what I'm doing for everybody. So in the last video with the AR-15, I talked about doing my go bag. Everybody was kind of wondering what was in my go bag, and there was a lot of comments in the video saying, yes, show us what's, you know, in that go bag. We want to know. So that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to get the go bag out of the truck. We're going to open that thing up. It's been a while since I opened it, so I don't know what's all in there. I kind of forgot. And I'm going to show you what's in that go bag. And hopefully maybe it'll help somebody out there if they are they want to prep and have some sort of like a go bag just in case of an emergency situation. I actually have used stuff out of my go bag when there was an emergency situation, but I needed like a Band-Aid or, you know, a water or something of that nature, which are some of the things that are in there. But let's get the go bag, put it on the table back here, open her up. Go bag. Go bag on the table. What are you doing? Oh, that's for the shotgun. The knivesdeal.com shotgun that I got, which I'm not going to show you the shotgun, but we have this nifty switchblade from knivesdeal.com. If you guys want 10% off your entire order, do me a big favor. Go down there, use promo code DFR for 10% off of everything off of knivesdeal.com. All right, guys, so this is my go bag. As you guys can see, this is basically a camelback. This is what I like to use, is a camelback here. It's a Miltech. I don't know where I bought it, to be honest, but I found it. I actually had an old camelback that I used to use from the military when I was in the Marine Corps that I actually bought in Camp Pendleton. It was probably one of the first camelbacks they ever had available for military to buy. But then I found this this one here at some gun show or something, and it had more pockets, it had molly, stuff like that. And I figured, you know what? This is going to be a much better go bag to have. It's light, it's easy to carry. If I need to put this on one of my kids, I can, and even one of my kids can carry this. I would say this thing probably weighs, how much does this thing probably weigh?
5 pounds?
That's more than 5 pounds. Give me that.
Okay, 8.
God. Don't listen to her, guys. She's weird. She's so weird. All right, so let's open it up. We're going to take our straps off here first. There's a lot of stuff in this thing. So what we'll do first is we'll go into the front here, and we'll see what we have here. So we have a compass. Definitely. What?
I need one of them.
Oh, my God. You definitely need a compass. Got to have a compass. So I have my Leatherman. I have an old Leatherman here. It's a Wave. It's like a 1972 Leatherman. That's a funny joke, guys. If anybody remembers these Leathermans, they're actually really cool things. They had all kinds of little doodads in them to do cool shit with. I have my makeshift spoon and fork because, you know, you got to eat shit, guys. I got a can of... Why are you laughing at me? Why are you... You're going to be... You know what? If shit hits the fan, you're going to want this spoon and fork. And two other things. I have a rape whistle, you know, in case somebody tries to rape me, basically. Why are you laughing? Which also has a compass on it as well. And it also has a temperature gauge on it. Now, these are just little doodads or keys. These are just little doodad things that I know will work. If you guys don't know what this is a fire starter. So if I need to make a fire for any reason, this is very convenient, very small. Pack this in my pocket, whatever. And I can use this and use the flint and everything on here to create a fire. There, that's all that's in that part of this. So let's put this back in here. Oh, look, you got a go bag too.
I do.
I'm so special, Andy. I got a go bag as well. It has my purse in it. All right, so let's open up this big one here. I don't know what's... Oh, this is all the fun stuff, guys. So let's roll this back. As you can see, this is packed in here. But I have Q-tips. I have some aspirin in there, which is probably bad at this point. I have some black salve. If you guys know what black salve is, go look it up if you don't know what it is. This stuff will literally eat infections in like a few hours. It's amazing stuff. It's very hard to find. It literally smells like tar. You ever have black salve?
I have not.
It smells like freaking tar, no joke. So that's my little baggie of goodies there. I have some more just aspirin, and I think this here is penicillin. Yep, this is penicillin right here. And then I have some Advil and stuff, just in case you need stuff like that for whatever reason. I don't know how old it is, but you know, whatever. I have my one flashlight. So this one here, if I remember correctly, guys, this flashlight here actually has a USB charging port. You can wind it up. Go ahead and wind it up. Show the viewers. No, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Wind it up like you're winding it up like this. No, like what? This, goofy, like that. Wind it up. There. And that actually turns it. Now you can turn the flashlight on. Yeah. And then it also, the USB you can charge up at the back, so you can charge your phone while you're literally winding your phone. You can wind your phone up. It's crazy. Isn't that crazy? Okay, give it back before you break it. Okay. And then I have this flashlight. Now, this is a backup flashlight. This is also a wind-up one as well. It does not have a USB port, but it has a solar panel. So, for whatever reason, if this flashlight ends up taking a dump on me and, like, breaking or getting lost or somebody steals it, maybe, I have my backup one. And the nice thing about this is I can let this sit out in the sun for a few hours, and it'll work. Well, it doesn't work now because it's not charged up, obviously. What are you doing, weirdo? And then I have a shelter. I have this little soul shelter here. Just a little survivor blanket, supposed to keep me nice and warm. Got that. Napkins. Gotta have napkins. I have some, obviously, you definitely need some sort of bug repellent or something. And just in case anything happens in the summer months, you want to have some, you know, bug repellent, because you don't want to be running around getting bit by junk. These are extremely important to have. I highly recommend everybody get these. They're Coleman. These are iodine pills for drinking water. Portable iodine pills, I think is what they are. Basically, they're tablets. You put them in creek water or whatever that you get out of a creek or the river. If it's bad, this kills all the shit in it, and you can drink your water. What else is in here? All kinds of stuff in here, stuffed guys. Oh, I got 2 of them. Oh no, this one, that's what these are. These are neutralizing tablets is what these are. And these ones here are purification tablets. So these purify the water, and these neutralize, I guess, bacteria and all that stuff. Oh, it removes iodine. I'm sorry, I messed up. It removes iodine, taste and color after water, etc., etc. Definitely get that stuff. It lasts forever, and it's just good to have in case you don't have access to water at some point. So is that it? That's it for that pouch. We're going to put all that stuff back in that pouch and go into the main pouch. All right, so the main point, the main area of this go bag here is the back part. And as you can see, I have multiple bottles of water. There's at least 4 or 5. Yeah, there's 5 bottles of water here. And I do switch it out from time to time. I'll leave them in here for a little bit, and then I'll either dump them or, you know, get them cold again and drink them, use them for something else, and put fresh water in here. But I haven't changed these out in a while, so I'm probably going to end up changing these out as well. But definitely, water is a very, very important thing to have on you, just in case something were to happen. So it's always a good idea to have water, and I always keep water in this bag, no matter what. So now we're going to get to the fun part of this bag, which you guys do not want to miss. So continue watching the video, because you're going to love what's buried in this section here. All right, guys, so last but not least, we have a center section to this go bag, and it's probably I would say the most important thing to have in a go bag. Now, I'm a little over excessive on this part of the go bag. If you guys decide you want to do the same thing as this section of this go bag, you don't need to pack as much as I did, but I did it for a reason, and then I'll explain what the reason is. But let's open it up, and what we have is all my ammunition that I need for any situation. I have 45 ammo. There's shotgun ammo, obviously. There's a couple boxes of that. There's 30-06 ammo right here. We have pistol ammo. We have AR ammo, 5.56. More shotgun shells, and I'm not going to dig it all out, but as you can see, there's 2 boxes, I think, of 45 or 9mm down there and everything. Ammo is a very, very important thing to have, and I'm going to explain why. That's what's in this center pouch of this go bag is a lot of ammunition, and I'm gonna tell you why right now. All right, guys, as you've seen, I have a lot of ammo in there, and the reason why I have that certain ammo, I have 5.56, 9mm, 45, 30-06 is shotguns, is because that's going to be the most common guns you're going to end up running into or finding in a quote-unquote shit hits the fan scenario. You know, some people aren't going to want to carry their 30-06 with them. They're going to choose to want to carry a 9mm, for example, with them instead. So they're going to leave their 30-06 there, you know, wherever they last seen it. They're going to just be like, fuck that gun. I'm taking the light one. I don't want this one, so on and so forth. There's so many guns in the United States, which is great because a lot of them are going to be left behind. People aren't going to want to carry a whole safe of weapons if they have to be on the move for whatever reason. So that's why I have like shotgun ammo, 30-06 ammo. I have the most common rounds that I can think of that are going to be less available then, but more available gun-wise at that point, because then I can, you know, I have the ammo. I can actually use that weapon, and I don't have to worry about running out of ammo or not having ammo for that gun or that weapon for a rifle, whatever. So that's the main point of me carrying so many different rounds of ammo. The only other round of ammo that I would prefer to carry is 7.62 by 39 AK-47 ammo, because that is another very popular variant of ammo to have, and I think, you know, you can call me whatever you want to call me, but if we ever get invaded, they're not bringing AR-15s over here to invade us. They're bringing AKs, buddies. You know what I mean? That's just the facts of life. They're bringing AKs. They're not bringing ARs. And it'd be nice to have some ammo in case I find one of those laying on the ground next to some enemy freaking goofball that decides to come in this country and do something stupid, I guess. I don't know. But, and she's like laughing. She's literally laughing at me like I'm a nutball right now. But it's all about preparation. It has nothing to do with, it has nothing to do with thinking the world's going to end or anything like that. So don't, you know, think it's that. It's just being prepared. Being prepared for a worst case scenario, being prepared for a non-worst case scenario. That's one of the reasons why I have some of the safety stuff that I have in there, along with the ammo, obviously, is because if I need some, it's there. If I need a knife, it's there. Plus, knivesdoe.com, obviously, DFR, 10% off, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, there you go, guys. You guys want to know what's in the go bag? I do add things periodically to my go bag. Maybe what I'll do is maybe I can make another video elaborating on why I have only those certain items in my go bag and not more prevalent stuff, like for example winter and summer clothes switchover, other things that some people pack in their go bags. And I've watched a lot of go bag videos to try to get to where I'm at on my go bag, and maybe I'll make a video on why I made my go bag the way it is. But for now, that's what's in my go bag. I'm gonna add a little thing here and there, you know, over the winter months, and over the summer months, switch some things out. But other than that, I keep that thing everywhere I go. If I switch cars, that bag goes with me. That bag's my lifeline, basically. It goes everywhere I go. So if you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Do you want to do deuces? Say deuces.
Deuces.